Have a nice day. Here is the very special animal called swan. As you know, swan is one of biggest water bird. They belong to genus Cygnus and the family Anatidae. Scientific name is Cygnus atratus. Their closest relatives are geese and duck. There are 6 living species. This is them. And also, according to the study, there are many extinct species. Swans are usually made for life, but separation sometimes occurs because of nesting failure, and if mate dies, then the remaining swan will take up another one. They lay eggs about 3 to 8 in each clutch. Another thing is that I want to say, swan is the one of biggest flying bird. Mute swan, whooper swan and the trumpeter swans are the biggest swans among the swans. They can reach the length about 1.5 meters and weight over 15 kilograms. Their wingspan can be over 3.1 meters. They are so big. See the feet of the swan? Adapted to water life. There is a skin in between fingers. See the neck, it is so long. Normally, male animals are bigger than the female, but the features are almost same. Northern hemisphere swan species have pure white plumage, but southern hemisphere species of swan have black and white plumages. This is Australian black swan. It has completely black feathers, but there are white feathers inside wings. See the difference, South American blackneck swan. Now see the legs of swans, it is dark color, black color. But blackneck swans has pink color legs. This is the beak of swan. It is long and flat. See the part of beak. The color of beak varies depending on the species. See the different. This is the tongue of swan. See, swan has no teeth, but the beak has serrated edge. Now let's see what are the feeds of swan. They are aquatic plants, algae, small fish, frogs, worm, molluscs, so on. Most of swans are living in temperate zone, but rarely in tropical zones as well. 4 or 5 species are living in northern hemisphere. One species is living in Australia. Another one living in South America. This is how it lays eggs. Do you know, my dear? Swan can form monogamous pair bond as early as 20 months. But they start to breed after about 4 or 7 years. Do you know their lifespan about 24 years? There is no divorce happening among swans. But it can be happen in 2 occasions. One is nesting failure, other one is mate dies. Nests are made on ground near water. This is the skeleton system of swan. Don't skip the video, please watch. According to the IUCN status, there are no treats for swans. IUCN status is least concern. Both of male and female of swans are so love each other. Both are working together to make nest. Not only that, incubation is also done by the both of mother and father. Did you subscribe to the channel, my dear friends? Please subscribe. Now let's see about eggs of swans. Weight of an egg is about 340 grams. Length of an egg is about 113 millimeters. Width of egg is about 74 millimeters. How about incubation period? It is about 34 days to 45 days. Swans are highly protective of their nest. These are the species of swans. Learn scientific name as well. Although IUCN status is least concern, there is a threat for swan. It is the activity of human being. Man kills swans for meat. They believe that it is a luxurious food. So dear, what's to do? Don't skip the video. Watch it until end, please. Study about the behaviors.